cracking, homies? Yep, I'm on here on the boat, waiting on Blaze. Let y'all know we're out here at Flat Creek. We done made it on out here. It's the lake. Finally made it. So I'm Blaze just parked the boat. About to get on out here and see if we can find us some fish. Hopefully we'll be able to find us some fish, so we can put in Blaze's pool pond, and we're gonna go from there. So that's what we're doing right now, fellas. Literally recording everything on my phone today because I left my GoPro. So whenever Blaze comes, fish finder going, got some action. I want to find some crappie. Everybody's bass fishing.